guys, welcome back to Crafty Q. Today I'm going to show you how to make a quick and easy gender reveal garland, or you can actually use it for any occasion, but I'm going to use the colors pink and blue. So if you are having a gender reveal party, this will be a great idea. It's very easy. You only need a few items to get started, and that's it. So let's get started. Okay, so the items that are needed to get started are cardstock paper. So again, I'm doing a gender reveal, so I'm going to do pink and blue. You also need a hole punch, a circle hole punch. I'm using just a regular circle at 2.5 inches. You also need string or twine, and also a smaller hole punch. This is, I believe, 1/8 of an inch punch, or even if you have 1/4, that'll work as well. Alright, so let's get started. So first you're going to take your hole punch, and you're going to just start hole punching circles. For the sake of this video, I'm going to just hole punch a few just so I can show you how the process works, but it's pretty easy. So once you cut out your circles, you're going to actually just use your smaller hole punch to punch holes so that you can actually thread your circles. So let's do, I think we can do 3 at a time. And how I usually do is I usually take the hole punch and punch sort of closer to the top, so that way your garland won't flip when you hang it up. So let's show you right here. Okay, and let's do the blue. Same thing. It's okay if you don't get the holes perfectly, because no one will even know once it's hanging up. Alright, it's that simple. So now we take our string and we just start threading. These are so cute and so easy to do. And what you could do is actually make a few of these and hang them up on your wall or your table. That'll create a great effect. You can also take them and use them as photography backdrops or photo booth backdrops, so that your guests can actually take pictures in front of the garland. As you can see with this one, I'm almost done. You don't have to put a lot of circles actually on your string. I mean, it's pretty much up to you on how full you want it to be and how long you want it to be, but it doesn't take that long. So, and also when you add them on string, you can actually space it out, to your liking. All right, that's pretty much it. And I'll show you a picture of what this actually looks like hanging up. Alright, don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you want to see more of these videos. Bye-bye.